In today's video, I'm going to talk about how to add a page number to a report in StampManage. This is pretty much an advanced topic, so if you're not interested at this point in editing reports or creating new reports, you probably want to skip this for a while. So anyway, let me just get started. So what we can do is under reporting, under the reports menu, select edit report, and I'm going to edit stamps by status. And I'm doing this to show you what the page number is going to look like. So at the bottom here, we've got a text field. And what happens when you output this report is it's going to say, for example, on the first page, page 1 of, and then give the total count, the total number of pages. And then it's going to, but beneath that, it's going to print the date and all that information. So if I double click on this text field, it's going to show me how this information is arrived at. So the way it works is this first section here, page, means just output the text page, then add on to page the results of this formula, FSDR dollars page. Page is a function which returns the current page number. So output page, and if I'm on page 2, for example, it's going to output page 2, and then to the right here, it's going to then print out of, and total pages is another function in the report designer which returns the total number of pages in the report. So this section here is going to output, for example, on page 2, it's going to output page 2 of, and let's say there's 20 pages in the report, page 2 of 20 at the bottom right here for each page in the report. So that's what the end result is. So let's say you're creating a new report and you don't have this information here. You can copy and paste it, by the way. So if I just right mouse click, I can just right mouse click on this and select copy, and then open up my new report and go to the bottom and select paste, and it's going to paste all this information. So you don't have to do it by scratch. But let's pretend we're doing it from scratch. What I can do is select insert text. I selected insert text, and here it's going to ask me for what I want the text to output. So I would page space, and I can't remember the formula, so let me just go back in here. So let me just double click on this again. So page plus FSDR number page. Copy. Can always copy and paste stuff. It's usually much easier. So here I can just select page and get Control V is paste. And so what will happen here is, in this particular text field, it's only going to print the current page. It's not going to print all this additional information. This other text field is going to show the total, like I said before, the total number of pages, and beneath that it's going to output the current time and date of the report. So you can always just go in and look at a report that's already been done and examine the text fields and look at the functions that need to be used to get this information. And like I said before, you can copy and paste these fields. It's not a problem. So anyway, hopefully that's helpful, and thank you. Have a nice day.